Replacement windows. Des Allemands is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our expert window contractors in Des Allemands, LA specialize in providing top-notch window installation services, ensuring that your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient windows available. Whether you're interested in vinyl windows Des Allemands, LA or custom windows Des Allemands, our team is ready to assist you with all your window needs. Energy-efficient replacement windows Des Allemands are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you can significantly decrease your heating and cooling expenses. Our window contractors Des Allemands, LA are experienced in installing a variety of window styles, including double-hung windows Des Allemands and casement windows Des Allemands, to meet your specific needs and preferences. For those seeking replacement windows Des Allemands, our home window services Des Allemands offer comprehensive solutions. From window glass replacement Des Allemands to window frame replacement Des Allemands, LA, we provide a full range of services to ensure your windows are in optimal condition. Our window replacement services Des Allemands are designed to address any issues promptly, ensuring your windows remain functional and aesthetically pleasing. Custom windows Des Allemands are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their homes. Our window consultation Des Allemands services provide personalized guidance to help you select the perfect custom windows for your property. With a wide range of window styles Des Allemands available, including bay windows Des Allemands, LA and storm windows Des Allemands, you can find the ideal windows to complement your home's architecture. Window maintenance Des Allemands, LA is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and maintaining their performance. Regular window sealing Des Allemands and window insulation Des Allemands, LA can prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Our window maintenance services include thorough inspections and necessary repairs to keep your windows in top condition. For accurate window measurements Des Allemands, LA, our team provides precise assessments to ensure a perfect fit for your replacement windows Des Allemands, LA. Proper window measurements are crucial for achieving the best results in window installation and replacement projects. Our window estimates Des Allemands offer transparent pricing and detailed information to help you make informed decisions. Enhancing your home with window upgrades Des Allemands, LA can significantly improve its appearance and functionality. Our selection of window hardware Des Allemands, LA and window screens Des Allemands offers a variety of options to enhance your window's performance and style. Whether you're looking to replace outdated windows or upgrade to more modern designs, our team is here to help. In Des Allemands, LA, residential windows Des Allemands play a vital role in the overall comfort and energy efficiency of your home. Our home window services Des Allemands are dedicated to providing high-quality window solutions tailored to your specific needs. From initial consultation to final installation, our team ensures